Hey Eagles, welcome back to another episode of Student Work Source, your quick guide to all things student work. My name's Treasure and I'm here with Alex.
Hey Eagles, I hope you guys are excited to hear some amazing and exciting updates for the spring 2026 semester.
You know, Alex, last semester was such a fun yet busy semester filled with so many memories, but I can tell that the momentum isn't slowing down yet. That's why we're here to make sure you have everything you need to stay connected and prepared.
So be sure to watch this video to see some exciting updates on the big event, tabling opportunities, student organization leadership development, and so much more. This is very important so that you can stay informed, be prepared and successful, and make the most out of these opportunities in the spring 2026 semester. So make sure you watch the whole video to ensure that you are staying informed the best you can, and share this video with your peers.
I'm really excited to hear about all of the community service opportunities. Community service is such a great way to show leadership and make an impact on your student body.
You know what, you're absolutely right, Treasure. So let's check in with this year's The Big Event Committee to see what exciting and upcoming community service events are coming y'all's way.
Hey Eagles, I'm Zoe and I'm the advisor of the Big Event Committee.
Hey Eagles, I'm Chloe and I'm the executive director for the Big Event.
Are you looking for a way to get involved on campus and make a real impact in your community? The Big Event is a nationally recognized day of service celebrated by the UNT community each spring.
Each year, students, faculty, staff, alumni, and student organizations come together to complete service projects across Denton County, contributing over 10,000 volunteer hours in more than 7 cities.
This year's Big Event takes place on Saturday, March 28th, and we invite all UNT Eagles to join us in giving back.
Volunteer projects vary and can include environmental cleanups, community gardens, animal shelters, campus and road cleanups, carnivals, and other nonprofit projects throughout Denton County.
Student organizations and groups can register together, and individuals who aren't a part of a student organization can sign up on their own. We want everyone to participate.
You can register via OrgSync, as well as find out more information there. We can't wait to see you all. Go Mean Green.
Are you a part of an organization looking for volunteer opportunities for your members? Well, this one's for you. The Student Organization Volunteer Listserv is now open for signups. By completing a quick form, you'll receive information about different volunteer opportunities aligning with different interests, groups, and causes. You'll also receive regular updates throughout the semester on those events. Organizations will need to resubmit the form each semester to continue receiving these updates. You can find the Spring 2026 Student Org Volunteer Listserv sign-up form in OrgSync.
Hey Mean Green leaders, I'm here with 2 representatives from our Student Org of the Month, Alpha Phi Sigma. First, let's begin by introducing our guests and congratulating them on their recent accomplishment.
Hi guys, my name is Bianca and I'm the president of Alpha Phi Sigma.
Hi, my name is Alexis and I'm secretary for Alpha Phi Sigma.
Hi Bianca, hi Alexis, thank you so much for joining us today. Can you start by telling us a little bit about your organization and the recent event you hosted?
Yes, so we are a criminal justice student organization. So we are also an honor society. And the great thing about us is you don't have to be a criminal justice major to join. You just need to have an adjacent major to that. Okay. And as long as you take 4 criminal justice classes, so we welcome all majors. We love having different majors around. And one of the events that we hosted this past semester was we hosted the former director of the FBI, which was really nice. He came and spoke about his experience working for the FBI and how to get more involved and how to look good on your resume, since a lot of criminal justice students are interested in joining. So that was a really great experience. And October was Domestic Violence Awareness Month. So we brought representative from Denton County Friends of the Family to talk more about intimate partner violence, the rise of toxic relationships in social media, and resources you can have in case anyone yourself or anyone you know is experiencing it. So it was a really meaningful and enlightening conversation.
Okay, wonderful. Those sounds like 2 wonderful events. How do you feel your organization impacted your fellow students, but also the campus community?
What I really liked about the events that we hosted is that not only did it help bring out people's leadership skills, it also brought out more social awareness, because even though we are an honor society, we also do want to bring light to issues that are happening on our campus. Right. That is why we like to host events for the whole campus community and not just our members. So all the events that we host and post on our Instagram is welcome to everybody who's interested and wanting to engage in meaningful conversation.
Wonderful, wonderful. And so what advice would you give other student organizations looking to make a positive impact on the campus community?
I think just taking that first step to reach out and to get involved in general as an organization and as just a student, putting on the events, going to the events is really the only way you can make that impact. Reaching out to other student organizations, other nonprofits.
I would also say don't be afraid to reach out to members of the community and organizations, because there are a lot of like nonprofits around Denton that are very interested in collaborating with student organizations. You just need to be aware and just reach out to them, because they're more than happy to come and speak here as well.
Okay, wonderful. And so lastly, what events does Alpha Phi Sigma Criminal Justice Honor Society have planned that you're both excited for?
I'm really excited for our upcoming Valentine's Day social, where we'll be making like the little phone charms.
Okay.
And I think it'll just be fun little get together, get to know more students, hopefully get some new members as well, and just hang out after a long way away at break.
Absolutely.
We also have vision board making, so I think that will also be fun, kind of get our ideas together for what we're going to be doing after college and in our future.
Okay.
And one thing I'm really excited for is we're going for a national conference in Philadelphia.
Oh, nice.
We won the CSI competition last year, so this year, since we won, we're gonna help set it up, which is really exciting. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Wonderful. Well, good luck to you at your conference, and
Thank
thank you so
you.
much for joining us for our interview. Orgs, if you want to be a Student Org of the Month winner, remember that applications can be found on OrgSync, and they are due by the 15th of every month. And remember, go Mean Green.
Hey y'all, I'm Daria, a Campus Life Ambassador with Student Activities. We know many of you are already dreaming of big events for the spring semester, but don't worry, you don't have to figure it out alone. Don't forget, our office offers event consultations to help your organization plan, prepare, and make your vision come to life. It's one of the best ways to set your student org up for success. Our event consultations help ensure your events are impactful, so impactful that your organization could be even recognized as Student Org of the Month. We can't wait to see all of the amazing events your organization hosts, and as always, go Mean Green!
Guess what, Student Orgs? S.O.L.D is leveling up. Our Student Org Leadership Development Workshops are now on demand. That's right, you choose the date, time, and location, and Student Activities will bring the whole leadership development directly to your organization. This semester, we're going to have a wide range of workshops, including collaboration, communication, marketing, balance, leadership with friends, and summer planning. These sessions are going to be interactive, tailored to your organization, and most importantly, energy-filled. So submit your request 2 weeks in advance, and we'll deliver the full S.O.L.D workshop experience at your convenience.
Hey UNT!
Have you ever wondered how to make your student organization shine even brighter? Do you want to unlock amazing new perks, score prime event locations, and get recognized for all your hard work?
Well, get ready to level up with Talents Up, UNT Student Organization Point System.
Think of it like this. Your student org will earn points just by doing what you do best, engaging with the UNT community. It's our way of boosting your visibility, increasing your member engagement, and providing you with the resources you need to succeed. So how does it work?
When you are participating in a UNT official engagement activity, make sure your org signs up and sends representatives. When you scan the Talents Up app, it gives you a QR code to verify your attendance, and boom, points are earned.
And here's where the fun really begins. The success tiers. As your org racks up points, it'll unlock incredible benefits. It's like leveling up in your favorite game.
If you have bronze organization status, you're on board. This means you are now eligible for SOAR funding.
Woohoo! Silver organization status. Now we are talking! As a silver student org, you will get priority registration for our homecoming picnic. And imagine just snagging that perfect spot at one of UNT's biggest events.
What's that I hear? Gold organization status? Well, aren't you shining bright? You're on board. This means you are now eligible for preferred location, Mean Green Spring Fling, and priority registration for University Day.
And do you think you have the best organization on campus? Then prove it! Earn elite status as a platinum organization. Having this status isn't just for anybody. At Platinum, you're at the very top, and at the top, you get the best perks, such as receiving priority 2026 to 2027 student org registration, auto sign up, and preferred location at assigned mean green point area, And y'all are not ready for this. I promise. You'll get early access to fall 2026 event app submissions. Talk about that VIP treatment.
Talent Hub isn't just about the points. It's about creating a stronger and vibrant UNT community. So grab your org and bring it to its fullest potential.
Yeah, what are you waiting for? Get out there, get engaged, and get your talents up. Let's make this year the best one for our student organizations yet.
Did you miss your chance to table at Mean Green Spring Fling? No worries. Every month, Student Activities hosts student org fairs just for registered student organizations. If you're looking to grow your student org, meet new people, and connect with students who are ready to get involved, these fairs are the place to be. Student org fairs are an awesome way to boost engagement, grow your membership, and show off what makes your organization unique. Our next student org fair is February 16th from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Library Mall. Sign up by February 11th. You can find sign-up forms on OrgSync. Space is limited and it's first come, first serve. But if the spots fill up, no worries. You can join the waitlist. Don't miss your chance to connect, recruit, and make student org stand out. Sign up today. We can't wait to see you there.
Well, that's it. We hope that this month's Student Org Source helped you keep up with all of the events, deadlines, and opportunities that are available to your student organization. So, as we close out today's episodes, here are a couple of closing remarks and reminders to mark on your calendars.
First, the SOFA committee application closes February 15th. If you have an interest in helping student organizations allocate their funds, as well as a genuine interest in leadership, be sure to submit your application before the deadline.
Next, if you haven't registered your student organization with Student Activities for the 2025 to 2026 academic year, now is the time to do so because that deadline is coming up on April 17th. Note that if your organization is a returning org from 2024 to 2025, you must register with Student Activities this academic year in order to remain active and eligible for the upcoming academic year.
In addition, make sure to regularly check your organization's email, visit OrgSync, and visit the Student Activities website to stay up to date on policies, resources, and opportunities for your org.
Again, thank you guys so much for tuning into this month's episode of Student Org Source. We at Student Activities appreciates everything that you and your organization does to promote engagement, leadership, and activity on our campus.
As always, stay involved, stay informed, and go Mean Green!